Hi guys, it's Mary. I just received the October Tonic craft kit and wanted to share the contents with you. If you're still counting like I am, it is box number or kit number 48. Tonic stopped counting when they got the new design. I don't know why, but now they just use the name of that month's box. And I think this one is something affection. We'll find out when we open the box. But in my mind, it's number 48. So let's open it up and see what we got. As normal, the Hello, Enjoy Your Craft kit. I am going to take everything out for the sake of space, and this lid wants to keep popping open. All right, so there we go. Let's get the contents out. And this month it comes with the binder. I think the binder comes like every 3 times. I can't remember for sure. All right, so I can tell right away we're talking Harvest. It's called Harvest Moon Affections. And I'm not sure what the affection is. It does have little hearts here on the contents. But I did see somebody, one of the people that get the kits for free and get them ahead of time, did mention that the die is supposed to be like the inside of a box of candy. So maybe that's why it's affections, because you give candy to people you love and like. I don't know. So, so let's go ahead and look at the die and the stamp set. So, Harvest Moon Affections. So this is the big die. And then it has the outline, so you can either cut it in to like a box top or whatever, or you can cut it out and like for a card. And then it's got all these different, I guess, like toppings. This one says love you. This one I think says family. And then these like little hearts, plus X's and O's, little diagonal, little hearts over here. This one says birthday, I think. Birthday something. I can never read these. Yeah, birthday something. And then there's all these other pieces. It says, you and me, just for you, let's celebrate, party. I don't know. Maybe that's just a decoration. Love. And so then there's more little toppings that can go on the candies. And then you can, these match up, it looks like, with these, some of these. So it looks like you can make individual little pieces of candy if you're making a big card. Or if you don't want to use the big one and you just want little pieces of candy. So that's cute. I mean, it's different. I've never seen anything like this, so I think this will be fun. So that's the dies. And then the stamp set says, for someone special, hello, my friend, a gift. It has the hearts and the X's, like these here. Lots of love, you make me smile, hugs and kisses, time to celebrate you and me, friends, family, love, making memories, good time, smile, always you and me. And there's a variety of fonts, so I think that's cute. I like this little, like, kids' handwriting. And then the little hearts, sweet little moments. All right, so that's the stamp set. So let's look at the paper. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Hopefully you can see it. The color as well. So, all right, so this must be glitter card in Welsh gold, which is just so pretty. And then mirror card in copper mine, maybe. Classic card in candy red. Specialty paper, maybe Sienna Treasure. Mirror card in Baroque Rose. Classic card in Ginger Pie. Pearl Essence in Coffee Cream. And specialty paper in Royal Garnet. I just love their specialty paper. But just look at how pretty this palette is. And, you know, sometimes they put stuff together that I wouldn't even think of putting together. See if I can get this all fanned out. There's another card. Hold on. There we go. Look at how pretty that is. I mean, I would never think about putting this in with these, but as an accent color, I think it would be perfect. But it's just so, so pretty. I really like these colors. They do say harvest. That's for sure. All right, so let's open the paper pack, which coincidentally is called Harvest Moon. Huh. So let's see what we got here. Harvest Moon pattern double-sided. So got the little orange pumpkin colors with the little leaves. That's nice. I like the leaves. I forget there's so many of the same thing. And then this one, this pattern matches one of the dies. And then this is just like a cream color with a little stitching of all the different colors going through it. So I like that. That's nice and subtle. And then there's this one, which kind of reminds me of peacock feather. And then the circles with the little cross or stars inside. That's nice. And then, oh, here's that garnet color. A little diagonal stripe through it. And then this little like leafy pattern. It has the darker colors in it. So I love that everything always coordinates color-wise. So those are really nice. All right, so we've got a Nuvo glitter marker in Golden Honey. That's a pretty color. That'll go perfectly. So the best part is the goodies. So let's see what we got here. We have Crafter's Ribbon. It looks like it's that garnet color. Oh, I don't see it anywhere on here that it gives a color. Let's see if it says it here. Ribbon, maroon red. Okay, so the ribbon is maroon red, and it says it's a kit exclusive, so it's not a color that you could buy. So that's nice. The same with the glacier paste here. It says it's called Frosted Birch, and it also is a kit exclusive. And it looks really, really pretty. Get that out. Frosted Birch. That is so pretty. And the glacier paste. So it's almost like a rose, a light rose color with gold flecks in it. I don't know how well you're able to see it, but love that. And then what else do we have? We have Crystal Drops in Malted Milk. So that's just a real soft, kind of a pinky beige color. And then, oh, we got glitter and sequins. And these are Midsummer's Gold Pure Sheen Glitter and Autumn Blaze Pure Sheen Sequins. So those are pretty. They're going to go nice with everything. And then this is, I believe it's embossing powder. Little tiny embossing powder in Media Crimson. It looks like it's got some sparkle to it. I'll have to give that a try. And last but not least, we have one of the hybrid mini ink pads. And it says it is Rumba Red, which is a very, very dark, almost crimson type color. So, awesome. All right, so that's it. I'm loving the colors. I think it'll be fun to use that die, see what comes out of it. Here's the examples that they've given. So, yeah, see they've used, oh, they made this one into a little shaker. That's cute. And then they've put the different toppings. This one, they did all different colors. Like, you know, candy would be if you're buying one of those mixed boxes of candy. So, all right, so that's it for today. I'm happy with this box. I don't think I've been unhappy with any of the kits since I started subscribing. So, and you can always cancel if you don't particularly like what's coming up. They give you time in advance that you can cancel. So, anyway, that's it. So, as always, thanks for taking the time to watch. If you're a subscriber, thank you. If you're thinking about subscribing, just hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. So until the next one, stay safe and well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.